Hi, do you want to know what's the best way to learn to code? Or maybe you really tried, but got stuck and gave up along the way. Well, what you need is the 100 Days of Code Challenge. 100 days, 1 hour per day to master the world's most popular programming language, Python. Sounds a bit daunting? Don't worry. We've built an entire professional Python bootcamp into bite-sized daily chunks with beautiful animated explainer videos and plenty of code exercises to challenge you along the way. The best part? Every day you'll build a new project. From automating Tinder swipes to building the game of Pong to analyzing complex App Store datasets. Everything you need to take you from beginner to professional, all while building a portfolio of over 100 projects. You'll learn all the basics of Python programming, but also the advanced stuff like comprehensions, inheritance, decorators, and much, much more. I'll take you through everything you need to know to start building games, websites, and apps. You'll also learn about web scraping, task automation, and of course, data science. Everything you need to know to get you hired as a Python developer or to start your own startup. With over 500,000 5-star reviews, my coding courses are some of the best in the world. And today, you can get this entire course all for the price of lunch. Plus, I offer 100% no question asked money back guarantee. So what are you still waiting for? Jump on in and change your future by learning to code.